In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth right away. Then use gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. And wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after that my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this gear next to one of your paired devices and tap on Unpair at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!